Preparation before initiating. Install pump head of peristaltic pump. Tighten to screws. Install the hanger of cooling water. Initiating of device. Connect the power cable with the host. And turn on the power switch to power on the device. Log in. Enter the system after 90 seconds of power on automatically. Or click the Warm Up button to enter the system quickly. Connecting the accessory. Connect the coaxial cable with the host and with the disposable microwave ablation needle. When planning to select pedal control mode, connect the pedal. When planning to use side temperature monitoring function, connect the disposable thermometer needle. Installation of inlet and outlet pipes. Connect the inlet and outlet pipe with the lure taper of disposable microwave ablation needle. And connect inlet pipe with cooling water source. Clip the middle part of transparent inlet pipe into the pump head and lock it tightly. Parameter setting. Select the operation interface based on the model of disposable microwave ablation needle. When using T model of ablation needle, select 60-watt operation interface. When using L model of ablation needle, select 70-watt operation interface. Select output mode and control mode of microwave. Click to switch between continuous and pulse output mode. Click to switch between auto and pedal control mode. Set power, step by 1 watt. Set the time. Setting range is from 0 to 30 minutes, or from 0 to 99 seconds. Turn on peristaltic pump. Check whether the pump is working, and whether there are abnormal sound and leak. Ensure there are no bubbles in the pipe. Inserting targeted lesion. Insert the disposable microwave ablation needle into the lesion. Start output of microwave. Click the icon of microwave or step on pedal to start output of microwave.